So yeah, everyone, we're starting the morning off in profit here. Pretty nice. I think I'm gonna just take the camera along today and continue to just keep updating on the portfolio. Such a good day. We're at 31,000 right now. Such a great number to be at. Ooh, getting orders placed and stuff. Let's get it.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of the past today, and I'm going to be taking it back to about March and April, to when the coronavirus crash, as I like to say it, took place. Now, if we take a look at the Dow Jones, guys, just on Google, DJIA, nothing too specific here. The market topped out around 30,000. Soon after it hit 30,000, dropped down below. So about after February 19th to February 20th, I'd say, is everything that happened. I invested $7,500 during the market crash. And why this is so important to me, guys, is because a lot of stuff was going on. Like, this was a long ride here, guys. I rode the market crash. I did not sell anything, guys. I literally sold nothing. And I rode this down 10,000 points for an entire month almost. I had negative days, every single day was negative. For seriously that entire month, everything I had was negative. Tesla was horrible. That was like my 50% of my entire portfolio, and it went down back to like $300, guys. Like, it was a horrible month to be investing. But yeah, another funny thing that, while all this was taking place, guys, now my family, my friends, everyone knows that I do this stuff, guys. Literally everyone I know, this is all I talk about 24/7. They are annoyed with it, okay? They literally annoyed with it. Everyone hates when I talk about it because I talk about it way too much. I try to put too much information on everyone around me. But besides that, guys, no one was asking me when I was making money, guys. We rode a bull market for 6 months last year straight. Literally a bull market. You could not lose money unless you were selling against the market. I was making insane profits, guys. $2,000 contracts in like a minute between market open. Like crazy money last year. Now, no one was asking me about stuff. I was trying to tell them, look at this money I'm making. Look at this money I'm making. They would not understand it. As soon as the market crash starts taking place, they see it on the news update. Everyone's talking about the market crash. Every single person's asking me, how's your portfolio? How's your portfolio? But when I was making all this money, guys, no one was asking me anything. So that sucked, but we got through it. And I remember telling my grandparents and stuff like that, my grandma and my mom, like, yeah, like I just, guys, literally take a look right here. We're gonna go over all the transactions right here. But here's the biggest one that I did. If we go back, look, I was like, you guys, I just deposited, I just put $5,000 more into the market. And you can see I didn't deposit any money since November 22nd of 2019. So during all this, I didn't put any money into the market. I was buying, selling, taking profits and stuff like that. But I wasn't investing any money into the market at the time. Now, I put $5,000 into the market on March 6th. So if we go back down to this right here, look at this. March 6th, it was a bull trap, to be honest. But if I remember around that time, I thought it was over, guys. I didn't think the coronavirus was as serious as it was at first. And, it was unfortunate. It was my loss as a trader for some stocks. But yeah, I started, pumping some money into the market here. I was, trying to be a buyer. So yeah, I put $5,000 into the market. And if I remember, I mostly bought Disney shares, which ended up riding down and falling with. But I stood through and made all my money back. Plus, I'm now in profit, I believe, on Disney. But yeah, let's just get right into it, guys. So yeah, March 6th, I deposited $5,000 into the market when everything was red. Everything was red. I was like, you know what? It's time to start buying. At this point, the market was already down like a few thousand points. What was it? Yeah, we were already down 3,500 points in less than like 2 weeks. So I was like, okay, this has got to chill. This isn't going to keep happening. But it did. But we learned. Put $5,000 into the market. I didn't use it all right away. So let's go back to that. Put $5,000 into the market. I didn't use it right away. Then March 24th, still going the day after my birthday. March 23rd, guys, the day of the 52-week low of the Dow Jones. And it's funny that my birthday was the lowest point of the market in the past, how many years now? Jeez. So yeah, the day after the market low, put in $1,000. The only, maybe this could have waited a couple more weeks, this $5,000. But look, guys, I didn't input. The day after the low, I started investing. Like, you cannot get better to this date right here, March 24th. So I threw in another $1,000. The day after, another $500. A few days after that, $200. And then I was just picking up small, portions of shares. You can add this all up, guys. It's $7,500. I think it's like $7,400 and some change. All the way up till April 9th, I was depositing money, guys. And even if we take a look here, so I started investing again. Look at March 23rd, my birthday, the 52-week low of the market in the past year at least. All during the low, I was investing money into the market. Like, it's kind of cool to say that I pumped the market back up. Not me individually, of course, but, you know, as a whole, it takes a bunch of people to do it. If not everyone's doing it, the market will keep going down. So yeah, I helped the market pump back up. Pretty cool. And that is why my portfolio has taken off so much. If we take a look at the 1 year, guys, look, I'm already past where I was in my 1 year. I passed that, 31,537, boom. I passed it. But the Dow Jones is nowhere near it was at the 30,000 mark. And that is because I invested at the right time in the market, you guys. So yeah, we literally got into the market at the best time. I couldn't be more stoked. And if you guys want to look at some stocks that I actually bought, if we come here. So yeah, guys, but I also did take some losses. Now, literally 6 days into the market crash, no one knew it was a market crash. It was just a bad week at this point in the market. I bought 200 shares of Ford at $7.43, which now Ford is at $5.50. So yeah, I was buying, you know, in the beginning of the market still, and I was making some mistakes. Same with Disney. I bought 27 shares of Disney at $123, guys. That stock went down to like $92 a few weeks later. Horrible buy. We rode it through. We did not sell. If we would have sold, we would have lost like, I think it was like $1,000. We stayed, and now I believe we're just like broke even right now on it. It's floating around the 120 mark. I actually got I got this cost down a little bit because I bought more shares throughout this market crash. Now then, we bought some more Ford shares on March 6th. Still the market's going down. Kept buying Ford. Bought some Groupon at like 98 cents, and it actually made me some money because it went back up to like $2 now. So yeah, I got some Groupon, but I don't own that no more. And then guys, we were selling against the market, making some money during this time on Cisco. You guys know how we do it, and okay, we're making some dough during the time. And you guys know me, I do not like to sell in the market, but it was just, you know, I had to dip my fingers in it. I had to get some dough out of it. I can't just be left empty-handed. Now, AHT, March 19th, you guys, I bought another 200 shares. This stock I own was at like, I bought like a bunch of shares at $3, and then it tanked to like 50 cents. So yeah, I really got my cost down on this one. My average cost for this stock is like 79 or $1.29 or something like that. And then yeah, we bought 2 shares of Home Depot at 160. So this is, at this point in my portfolio, this is when I started to purchase a lot of stocks at 52-week lows. So yeah, guys, look at this. We got Home Depot in our portfolio at 2 shares at only $160, and that was all I could afford at the time. If we take a look, Home Depot is at $253. So yeah, good up on that one. Same with West, guys. Look at this, West right here. We bought 35 shares at $513 right here. They're at $9.13 now. $4 up right now at the time of the market. So we're buying these at good lows. Look at that. Bank of America's at $21.38. They're at $24 today. So we started buying these stocks at great prices at this point. Coca-Cola, $41. They're at $44 now. Kept buying some AHT. We bought some, you know, Realty stock. Altria, we got some more on their low. Kept buying some Ford, some more West at a lower cost. And we've made some good money on West at this point, guys. And yeah, we bought some AMD to lower our cost that we already had, some more Ford, and just going through it. So yeah, and then we just kept buying, guys, kept buying. Bought some more Disney, bought 5 shares at $106, purchased some more Apple at $267. They're like $320 right now. Some more Kraft food stock, and then yeah, more General Motors, more Bank of America. We just kept buying. And the main point of this video is to just say, go with your gut. Everyone I was talking to, and everyone I'm still talking to, keeps telling me, you know, the market's going down, you're losing your money. You know, during all this, guys, it was hard to like say, yeah, I just invested $7,500 during a market looking like this. Like, this could have been a fake out right here, guys. This could have been a bull trap, huge bull trap, and went way back down. People every day when I talk to them are still saying, isn't the market going to crash? Is the market going to crash? You know, look at everything that's going on. You have to be confident, guys. You have to look at the long-term picture, and just don't listen to other people's opinions. Like, sometimes it will save you, but always go with your gut. Like, if I wouldn't have listened to everyone telling me, hey, why are you investing $7,500 during a crash? Like, that's stupid. You're going to lose all your money. Like, guys, this portfolio would look nothing like how it is right now if I didn't invest that $7,500. Everyone, timestamp this video, June 2nd. A year from today, this portfolio is going to be in the 100,000. And it's going to be, a big chunk of that is going to be from that $7,500 I invested during that downturn. And at the end of the day, you're financially responsible for your own decisions. You can never blame anyone else. You're the person who clicked the button. It's your money. You're responsible for it. If you gave your money to someone else to handle it, and they lose it, that's still your fault. You need to be trustable with your money. You need to take care of your money. So if someone's telling you not to do something, if I would have listened to those people, I would be out so much money right now, you guys. My portfolio would look so much lower than it is right now. So just follow your gut and just stay positive through everything. Because yeah, I bought Disney and Ford at some high points that are now, I'm still negative in. But you have to stay positive. You have to look at the long term, and you can't always just be affected by the number. If that number is hurting you on the screen, turn that shit off. Seriously, sometimes you just gotta turn your phone off. When it's a very bad day, turn that shit off, delete the app, do what you need to do. Because you will see those bad days and it will hurt. But just know, if you're playing long term, I'm playing 10 years to the future for now, 20 years, 40 years. I think Boeing's gonna be at $500 in 50 years, and I have 6 shares at about like $149 cost. That's me. That's me setting up for the long term right there. And I hope what you guys take from this video is just believe in yourself. Sometimes just take that leap in the financial world. 9 out of 10 times you'll be mad at yourself for not taking that leap, taking that risk. Because I would have been so mad at myself right now if I wouldn't have invested when I did. If I would have just started now, it's too late. I mean, it's not too late to get in. There's still good deals, but I'm just saying, like, I wouldn't have got the prices that I did, And thank you guys all for watching, and if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Later.